I was actually very attracted about that this was a two-pronged conference, really focusing in on rare disease, but also bringing in the innovation that is happening in the industry and data management. These are two areas that SDC really focuses on, so it was important for us to be here and have a presence.
I was attracted to speak at this conference because I really appreciated how important the patient perspective was to the meeting organizers as well as to all of the meeting attendees. My topic was the rare disease patient experience and how to incorporate that into decision-making in clinical trials.
What attracted me to attend this conference is I think it's an important part of our work to specifically be looking at clinical trials in rare diseases. And so that's something that we're exactly involved in. Our phase 1/2 is a clinical trial in a rare disease. And it's also important to learn from others and gain other perspectives. So this has been very fruitful for me. At my session, I was covering an overview of our technology using Zscan4 for treatment of telomere biology disorders with bone marrow failure and some of the implications and concerns of doing a clinical trial, particularly in rare disease.
What I like about this conference is a couple of things. One, it's small and intimate. I've presented before, pre-COVID, so it's one of those things where I've been here before. It's been a good experience. And it's not only is it kind of small and intimate, but it's also targeted. So it's not like, I'm in there and there's like an audience of folks with all kinds of different backgrounds. So when I'm going to present, it's probably going to lose half the crowd. You can really target your discussions here.
So it's really fantastic whenever we see new conferences come that are taking another step forward in how we can all come together and have interesting discussions about where we see the industry going. So we felt like this was a perfect fit. Data management is seeing so much innovation lately, and we're really excited to be a part of that. And so the sort of thought leaders that we have here, both from industry as well as the vendor community, to be able to have those discussions and really talk about what comes next and how we make that applicable in the kind of acceleration and innovation that we're trying to do in trials today.
I love the fact that this conference is centered on innovation. So much of the time we spend time at our conferences talking about what we really do well already and sharing it with others to proliferate tried and true methodologies and strategies. And the thing I like about this was that it's really centered on the idea of innovating. What is at the horizon? What are we going to do next? And you've cultivated and curated a conference that is bringing in some of those thought leaders. So we're already comfortable in the space that we're in, and we're all looking at what's in that horizon and beginning to share different ideas and opportunities.
I've attended quite a lot of the arena conferences, and this one is particularly tailored to one of our main client categories, which is the data managers. And we like the title Data Management and Innovation. That's us. So it was spot on for us. We're going to be here next year. It has actually exceeded our expectations because we had more interesting conversations than we actually anticipated.
We will absolutely be here next year. This has been a really phenomenal conference so far. Again, the way that it's bringing together a lot of new thought leadership has been phenomenal. We can't wait to join the event next year. It's been a great kickoff and a great inaugural event.
So far, the conference has been wonderful. It's an intimate conference, being the first time. But with that said, that gives you an opportunity to really meet with all of the attendees, with the other sponsors, and we're looking forward to next year as well.
Yes, I will definitely be here next year.
Join me next year.